Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. See here, this is a problem. So let's see how to fix it. At first tap on settings. Now tap on storage, data and storage. Now tap here proxy setting. Now turn off this option, use proxy. Now back, go to Play Store, tap on search Telegram, update your Telegram app. Now open, and this way you can easily fix your connecting problem. Thank you.